Encountered a TWK file from a specialized business management application? This is a data file from TWorks Manager containing project or workflow information. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these TWorks data files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the TWK archive, even if it can't fully extract it. TWK files are data files used by TWorks Manager, a business management application for tracking projects, tasks, and workflow information. They store structured records, including project details, task assignments, timelines, resource allocations, and reporting data used by organizations to manage operations and project tracking. TWK files use a proprietary structured format containing database-like records with field definitions, value entries, and relational links between data elements. The format includes header metadata indicating version and schema, followed by record sections storing the actual project task and resource information specific to TWorks Manager workflows. The specialized program designed to handle TWK is TWorks Manager by FileMaker Inc. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows lacks the ability to interpret domain-specific data, so specialized applications are necessary. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the TWK file and choose Open With. Start with TWorks Manager if available. If not, select another application from the list. If the TWK file is still giving you trouble, relax. Why is the file failing? It's not random. Here are the most common technical factors preventing your TWK file from opening correctly. First, opening with TWorks Manager. Install TWorks Manager on a compatible system and use File then Open to load the TWK file. The application parses the data and displays it in the appropriate project or task management interface. Working with the original software ensures all data fields display correctly with full functionality for editing and reporting. Next, examining the structure. Open the TWK file in a hex editor or text editor to determine if it uses a readable format. If text-based, the data may be parseable by other tools or convertible to standard formats. Binary TWK files require the original application or reverse engineering effort to extract meaningful data from the file structure. Finally, migrating to modern tools. If TWorks Manager is no longer available, export data from any working installation to standard formats like CSV or XML before retiring the application. Modern project management tools such as Microsoft Project or Asana can import standardized data, enabling continued access to historical project information without depending on legacy software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.